Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to add a close link or button to OptinMonster campaigns. Click the green Create Campaign button in your OptinMonster dashboard and select the campaign type and template that fits your design needs. Next, you'll need to name your campaign and you can start building. Once within the drag and drop builder, click on Blocks in the left menu and drag and drop a button element onto your campaign. Once you've placed your button element where you desire on your campaign, you'll simply need to customize the text as well as the button format such as the background color, fonts, font sizes, hover styling, and more. Once you're pleased with your design and your close button styling, simply go to the Action tab and under Button Click Action, scroll down to Close the Campaign. Make sure to save your changes and you've successfully added a close link or button to your OptinMonster campaign. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.